Welcome to Eon Market AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to generate leads from your site. Go to the left menu and click on the Manage Sites option. Now you are on the Manage Site page. Click on Site Setting option. Enable Pop-up View option and choose the Pop View option according to your choice. In onload pop-up will show when user load the site. On exit pop-up will show when user exit the site screen. In time delay pop-up will show according to your given time delay. You can get leads from the site by using this pop-up option. All of your generated leads show in lead section. Your leads will also added in autoresponder when you integrate any autoresponder in automation section. You can manage your leads via GetResponse, ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. Thanks for watching the video.